G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the weekly mix-up. Thanks again for joining us. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every time we release a new video. So this week we are doing the Whisky Manhattan. So let's get started. You're only going to need a few ingredients today. So you're going to need some bitters, a whiskey of choice, a sweet vermouth. We've got some cherries. And from a barware perspective, you just need a mixing glass. We're going to serve it in our unbreakable coupe today. A strainer and a bar spoon and a pick for your cherries. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some amazing ice. Now I apologise in advance, our ice is pretty ordinary at the moment, but we're only a couple of weeks away from actually having our own bar and our own bar in the office, and we're going to have amazing ice. So don't judge my ice game. Here we go. So put some ice into the mixing glass. We're going to pour 60 mils of whiskey. All right, make sure I'll do that. And then we're going to do 30 mils of sweet vermouth. And 2 to 3 dashes of bitters. All right, just stir that down. Grab your strainer, slap it on top, and we're going to strain it into a coupe glass. All right, just going to grab 2 cherries. Choose your bar spoon. There we go. And there you have the Whisky Manhattan. Enjoy.